Why Willow is different. Willow RV employs unique technology and construction processes resulting in caravans that are unlike any other in the industry. Willow RV caravans are truly 100% insulated. This is achieved by constructing a body shell that is physically robust with excellent thermal properties. One-piece floor which is 35 mm thick. The floor is a polyurethane framework filled with high-density extruded foam, covered in commercial ply top and bottom. The base of the floor is coated with bitumen to form a moisture barrier. One-piece walls and roof are 30 mm thick. The walls and roof are similarly constructed with an extruded foam-filled polyurethane frame, clad in commercial ply on interior and exterior sides, with an aluminium exterior skin. There is no wiring in our walls. The wiring is strategically run through the furniture, which means wiring is accessible from inside the van should there be any faults. This means that the strength and insulating properties of the wall are not compromised by wiring cutouts or channels. Double glazed windows. The caravan insulation is complemented with double glazed windows. This allows maximum air conditioner efficiency, keeping your caravan cool in summer and warm in winter. Double glazed windows also help to reduce intrusive outside noise. Caravan shell is strong. Our caravan shell is extremely strong. You can walk on the roof and it is hail resistant. Rot-free caravan structure. We use polyurethane frame members, replacing the traditional Meranti timber. Unlike timber, the polyurethane cannot absorb water. High-density extruded foam replaces polystyrene. This foam is a closed cell type, which also cannot absorb water. Solid furniture to wall fix. The polyurethane rails in the walls are strategically placed to correspond with the furniture. Walls are specifically designed for each caravan model. This allows for a solid fixed connection between furniture and walls. Technology. The entire Willow Caravan range is designed and manufactured in Pakenham, Victoria, using state-of-the-art technology such as Computer Numerically Controlled or CNC machinery and analysis software. Chassis construction. Our chassis is built of Australian steel and hot-dip galvanised, not painted. There are 4 stations for water tanks. Tanks are strategically placed to balance the van. This is to engender stable towing performance. We fit 2 95-litre water tanks as standard, with the option of a 95-litre grey water tank. Interlocking furniture. All furniture panels are designed to interlock into each other, so that the strength of the furniture does not rely solely on the screw fixings, but on the adjoining panels. The furniture is therefore stronger and easier to manufacture. CNC cut furniture. All wiring corridors are pre-cut into the furniture. All cutouts for equipment are in their precise locations and to the correct sizes. Built inside out. Willow caravans are built furniture to floor first. That is, furniture is laid out and assembled to the floor before the walls are erected. This allows plumbers and electricians to work around the outside of the van. This methodology minimizes the number of people required working inside the van during the build, improving efficiency and decreasing the risk of damage. Most manufacturers erect the shell first, then pass the furniture in through doors and windows to fit out the van. Fixing the walls to the floor. A sealing bond is applied into a rebate in the floor. The wall is then fixed through the floor from the bottom up every 200 mm. The wall is also fixed through the side every 200 mm. All fixings screw into the polyurethane framework for a rigid bond. Fixing the roof to the walls. The roof is fixed to the walls every 200 mm. All fixings screw into the polyurethane framework. The curved section at the front of the roof also has an insulating foam layer. Sealing of caravan. All joints in the shell are completely sealed before fitting the corner capping. This results in a join protected by 3 sealing barriers. A silicone wall roof seal which fills and covers the joins, indicated in green. Butyl tape which forms a tacky layer over the silicone, indicated in red. An extruded rubber seal completely covers the joins and is clamped down by the aluminium cap. Testing and weighing. Every Willow van is tested and weighed before leaving the factory. Willow RV is extremely conscious of the contentiousness of caravan weights within the caravan industry and therefore exercises all due care in this regard. All systems, appliances and fittings are tested as part of our quality assurance program. Warranty. Willow offers a 3-year factory warranty Australia-wide. This covers coach build, furniture and chassis. The suspension and brake system is covered by an Alco 3-year warranty. Once the vans have been completed, they are loaded up on trucks and distributed to our nationwide dealerships.